Welcome back to this fabulous channel. Welcome to the City of Sin. If you are new to the channel or stopping in for your first time, my name is Ryan. I will be your host for all of these epic adventures. Today, if you know what today's video is going to be about, it's about that time of year for us to get 2021 underway. Happy New Year's to you all. I hope you are having a great 2021. But before we ring in the new year and talk about 2021 and the upcoming plans and the upcoming adventure, I want to talk a little bit about 2020. So if you remember, we kicked out 2020 great with a stay at the Delano Suites with the wife and I. Had an awesome time. This was right before COVID struck the US. After that, during the pandemic, when everything started shutting down, we actually did head back to Las Vegas to film The Abandoned. If you guys remember that, the strip walk video is absolutely surreal. Walking down the boulevard with very, very limited people, only Las Vegas locals, and no tourists was kind of weird to see. Seeing Mother Nature take back the strip was kind of weird to see as well. So if you guys want to see the Abandoned videos, we did post a few of those on the channel, so you'll have to check those out. Then if you remember, we did come back to Las Vegas for day one reopening. We stayed at MGM Grand and kind of toured the casino floors. After security relaxed a little bit on day one opening for the media to come in and kind of get that public interest back to Las Vegas. Now, if you remember, we came back in phase two. Security was a little bit more strict and tightened up a little bit, but we were able to check out the buffet opening at the Wynn. And that was an awesome buffet. If you guys remember that, that was absolutely delicious. I'd highly recommend it, but I think it's actually closed now. If you remember, at the end of this year, or the end of 2020, I should say, we did go back to Las Vegas in November. Mom and I had a great time out there. We checked out Wolfgang Puck in MGM Grand. We stayed there as well for that adventure. We had a good time ringing in the end of 2020, looking forward to 2021 with the vaccine in sight at the end of 2020. So that's one of the things I'm looking forward to 2021 is seeing what will happen with the vaccine coming out. Hopefully we'll be back to doing the casino walkthrough videos for you guys with the COVID restrictions easing up and security being a little bit more lax since they're not under a microscope of being shut down or on the verge of shutdown again. So that's something that I look forward to in 2021. The other thing that I was going to do, which is going to be a little bit different, is more exclusive for all you Patreon members. I'm going to give you more early access, more advanced times for dates and hotel stays. So if you guys want to come out to Las Vegas or if you're planning a vacation, we can probably make things work a little bit easier with more advanced timing for that. Also, I'll be doing some more different things for you guys, like some of the bloopers, some of the behind the scenes, where I mess up on the videos, and I'll actually keep those clips in for you guys exclusively. Also, I like to get outdoors and adventure a little bit, so Camping Adventures, The Great Outdoors, I'm going to start posting some of those things that we do behind the scenes as well. Also, one of the new exciting renditions for 2021 is I do have the ability to work remote, so that will give us more opportunities to go back to Las Vegas. But I did want to say a huge thank you to all the Patreon supporters out there. You guys are absolutely amazing. I appreciate all the continued support. If it weren't for you guys, this Las Vegas adventure wouldn't be coming to you. So that's one thing that I wanted to announce. We are going to go back to Las Vegas for the Super Bowl. If you guys want to join me in Las Vegas, you certainly can. We're going to be there for the weekend of the Super Bowl. We're going to enjoy the Super Bowl and then see what Las Vegas has to offer. We'll see if the COVID restrictions are a little bit eased up, if the vaccine is taking its play, and if more people are coming back to Las Vegas. And then I should have some more announcements here following shortly on the next rendition. So if you guys want to get those advanced trip dates or anything like that, be sure to check out Patreon. It's one of the links down in the description below. Your support definitely helps the channel by bringing more content just like this to you. But thank you for taking your time out of your day to watch these videos. Be sure to share these with your friends and family. Also, subscribe if you haven't already done so. But you all know who I am. My name is Ryan here with this fabulous channel. Until next time.